super long boat. Is our crew today? A little chilly morning. Leaving out of Yankeetown this morning. That's where the sheepshead are going to be sitting. Those are two sheepshead marked right there. You see them? Yeah. We got our trusty marker on the spot.
Now we just got to figure out how to anchor up.
A little rough this morning. That's what a school of sheep look like. Yeah. That's a good looking bottom. Got a whole mound of sheepshead. The thing about sheepshead is you want it to sit as still as possible and then wait till you feel like dead weight. Oh, like that. I dropped it. Little tiny bites. There we go. Oh, I fell off. You gotta set the hook so hard. That was definitely a sheep. 100%. They're here. Yeah, I'm getting bites right now. Freaking dropped it. They're tiny bites.
Yeah, it was a tiny little bite. That was a big sheep. Oh.
Baby sheep. That's the smallest sheep I've caught here.
That's still a good sized sheep to keep. Oh, wait, 15 minimum?
12. Yeah, he'll keep. Oh, they're falling off so easily. There's a good fish.
A little tough, dude.
That's a good fish. There you go.
He's a swinger, watch out.
Don't break your rod. It's not huge, but he'll keep.
Josh barely, look, I hooked him right in his stupid head. Did you really?
Drop it right off the back while he's messing around. Try to keep that school here. Yeah, I think the ledge is right off the back of the boat now.
Yeah, he's a keeper right on the... That guy just took it.
There you go.
He didn't nibble right in. He just did. Hey, little gag.
Got a grouper. Well, I guess you're on the ledge for sure now.
Yeah, I told you he didn't nibble, dude. He just came up and...
There you go. There we go. They're here. I got a baby grouper. Oh, someone's got a huge sheep. Big sheep.
That's a nice sheep.
Big sheep.
Woo!
There you go.
That thing's cute. Awesome.
I feel like every time you come fishing with me, we do something totally different.
We do, pretty much. What grouper was that? Was that a gag?
Yeah, that was a good little gag. Nice sheep, hold 'em up. Nice. That's a sheep. See it, Greg?
Yeah.
Look how heavy that is. Oh, he dropped it. I should have hooked him. I waited too long. Oh, there it goes. See it?
Yep.
There it is. There it is. That looked like a grouper bite.
No, I don't think it was. Just another...
Yeah, it was. Solid. I knew it.
You know what you're talking about.
I got a sheep. Look at that. What is happening? I just lost 5 in a row.
Your first.
Here we go. Dropping a half a shrimp down. See if I get a better hookup with this. Oh, he's already on there. Morgan, come over here. There's a ton of fish right here. She got. She's being quiet over here fighting a monster.
You have another, Morgan?
Yeah.
She's grunting and moaning in silence. I can feel her body. That's a giant grunt.
That's a world record grunt.
Look at that thing.
Gotta get her over, Morgan.
What is that?
That's a grunt.
That is a monster.
That's like my crazy 15-incher out there.
I feel like a grouper when he hit it. Yeah, I knew. I was like, there's no way that's a sheep's head. I was just sitting here and he just took off.
Is that on half a shrimp?
Just the head. It was like a third.
Really? Just the head?
Just the head. It was straight down.
That big bull might go crazy.
Sheeps are stealing all of our shrimp. Cutting the shrimp in thirds now. I'd love to see a sheephead. Oh my god, there's a sheep's head. That's a great sign. We run out to a grouper spot.
And you hooked it nice.
I need to get hurt. Moved out deeper water. First sheep. That's exciting. Didn't even know there were sheeps here. Well, not the right size, but different species.
Grouper maybe.
Hit it hard.
Yeah, it's a gag. There's no fight now.
Yeah.
Little gag. You can tell when it's a grouper.
Oh, you foul hooked them, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, we should snapper fish. That didn't take long to test that theory. The fish slayer. The mango. If only they're a little bigger.
You tried freelining yet?
No, I'm just...
I'm on my keeper. Yeah. Probably low.
Huh? Damn close. Here, just put it in the rod holder for a minute. Grab the tape measure out of the
Get him out. Is that with the jig head?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to get.
He went into the rock too.
That's a key.
There it goes. Oh. Horizontal. Yeah. Nice grouper. Alrighty. Solomon. It's every drop.
God damn, dude.
It's another gag. Yep. I'm surprised I haven't broke my leader yet. It's all frayed. He's not even that big, but he put up a fight.
Yeah, I don't know. You gotta get pull up.
I can't believe we're getting them on shrimp that jig.
That's all we did at the reef.
Maybe not.
There goes. Ugh! God! Ugh! Ugh!
We're having all the fun.
It's so strong on a jig head on my little trout rod.
Oh, damn, that's even better than the last one.
This would be a spot to throw a trolling plug and just reel it over that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, but you remember we tried that and we didn't get...
Yeah.
That's kind of a cool looking one.
Yeah.
Another nice
Got
gag.
good coloring. Marbled.
Get him!
Yeah, you got off.
What? That looks like a sheep. That's a diving.
He was big, whatever it was. Not huge. Taking up.
He's got a grouper.
I don't know.
You got something.
Might have the same fish.
Baby gag. I'm about to start calling them scamps. A grouper? What's up? That's a baby gag. Little baby.
How are you?
Here. Morgan's a snapper slayer.
You have a nice bite. Legal, is it?
Close. A little too small. It must be a decent size. Please be a snapper.
Sheephead.
Another sheep? Yeah, catching sheep out in 25 foot of water.
That's a keeper. Pretty damn close. Take a look.
Mango. Is that a snapper?
What is that?
Please be a snapper.
Giant sheep?
That's a huge sheep.
Holy nutsack, dude. That's a big boy. Only 30 pounds, be advised.
Want to grab it? That is a nice one.
I think you outdid me, dude.
That's still smaller than all of them last week.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never even seen it.
Wow, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, this place is
Loosen my drag, dude.
yeah, like it's supposed to. Snap up.
Morgan.
A little bigger.
That's a keeper snapper.
You think?
Yeah. I think that's the biggest.
It's bigger than
That's a fat little guy.
get
Be
it over
careful
the boat.
grabbing him.
Sorry. Hold on, I got something. Oh,
That was a bite picking up. Oh, you let him.
Little regular.
Yeah?
What is it?
Hogfish!
No way. Nice.
Ah!
Tiny hog.
Tiny hog. Get him up! Baby gag. Oh, of course.
Oh, nice snapper. I don't know.
Look at all the people stopping right when we start slaying snapper.
I don't know about slaying. That one.
Oh, double up is pretty good.
Oh, you got one too.
Man, my first drop. How big is yours? Is he bigger than mine?
I think they're probably about the same. Yours might be bigger.
Is yours bigger than mine?
I think yours might be.
Oh, that was a monster snapper.
Yeah?
Yep.
Nice. Is he of age?
He's of age.
There goes Solomon. Now the bite's happening.
Sheepy. Everyone's slaying them.
Oh, sheepshead.
Hey,
That's a
snapper. Maybe we just had to wait for the tide to do its thing.
That's a nice.
Decent size to him.
Don't be a grouper.
That's a snapper.
Good
Oh,
job.
not enough.
You got her.
A grouper and a mango.
Bang. Yeah.
Hog.
Hey.
Is it a hog?
Yeah.
Or a snapper?
That's a hog. Might be elite.
No, he's not.
About 14. If that.
Well,
That's a good one though.
He's pretty.
Yeah.
again?
Got me another hog.
Looks like it actually a little bit better, slightly. I don't know, about the same.
It's not like finger.
Bite slow today. You're getting a bunch of hogfish.
It's kind of cool though.
Another pretty little hogfish. They're a little too small to keep. Like a hog, or just a grunt. Grunties.
I love grunts too.
Tighten that drag.
Oh, yeah.
Here, take my pole. Oh, it just broke. That was a king.
And that was taking off that way.
That was a king.
There's a king.
That was hauling ass.
Let's get the king.
I guess it kind of ran like a shark. Never mind.
That's a shark.
Yeah,
It's been a smoker, but
I don't know.
no, kings run more consistent. That was like a zzz, zzz, zzz.
yeah, king's.
Yeah, it's a straight run. What is that? Is that a mango?
Hell yeah, that's a good one.
Good job, Greg. It's like the first decent fish I've seen in a while.
I cast it about 20 feet, 30 feet out that way.
Good. That confirms where
Straight out.
we're supposed to be fishing.
Crazy nut.
Hey, Greg's got a fat daddy. Don't be a grunt. Is that a mango?
Holy
Dude.
You got the honey hole back there.
Why do you put your hand so close to his mouth?
Hey, Justin.
Grab on the hook.
You're like within biting range. One chomp and your finger's gone. What the hell? You go so far back I can't even see you.
You go past 180 degrees.
That's a 270-degree hook set. That's a mango.
You got one too?
He's not illegal.
So are you fishing like right next to the boat?
Literally right off the back, straight here.
Nice.
I'm getting it.
Please be a snapper. That looks like a snapper fight. Nice.
Oh man.
A snap?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah. They're showing up.
Good job, Morgan.
Nice fish. Nice.
Watch your fingers. Don't stick your finger in there like your dad did. Impressive. She got the hook out.
They're all crowded.
And not bitten.
Let's just push Greg over and steal the spot.
That's pretty good.
Good job.
That's a good fish.
Alright, let's get it. Grouper! Skiing grouper.
He's hydroplaning.
I don't think I'm getting to the bottom anymore. They say I've had a fish on the whole time.
You got something, don't you?
Yeah, a little grunt. Freaking swallowed it. It's a snapper.
Actually.
Oh, damn.
Nice job.
It was already on the
A
whole
little
time.
skinny one, but
It
long.
has meat on it.
He's a little underfed.
Stop talking about my snapper.
He's sick.
It's
You
a
put him back.
monster. Last fish of the day. We'll end it with that little guy.
That's textbook.